Hi, let me teach you how to download Instagram Reels on your phone and on your computer. So first things first, please open the Instagram app. And you can see a plus icon on the lower middle part of your screen. Click on that one. And since we're posting a reel, please click on reel over here and you'll be redirected to this platform. Now, you have two options right now. You can take a video like this and edit it and download it as a reel, or you can choose any media you want from your camera roll, and I'm going for this one. I'm just gonna click add and click next. So what I have right now is a raw video that can be posted as a reel or downloaded as a reel. I can add any music or edit it as I want. So the first part here is you can see a arrow going down icon. Click on that one, and this video as it is should be saved on your camera roll without the pesky Instagram watermark. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. So I'm just gonna click on going back here so I can show you the watermark. So I'm just gonna go to any reel that I have right now, and as you can see on the lower part, the three dots on the screen, click on that one, click on download, and if I have that, I'm just gonna go back to my camera roll once it's done saving, and you should see the thing that I mentioned about the watermark. I'll show you right now. And as you can see, there is a Instagram watermark on the top right of the screen. So I suggest download it before posting it, so to avoid the watermark. And that's it. That's how you download Instagram Reels on your mobile phone. Great. So now I'm gonna teach you how to remove the watermark manually if you downloaded it directly from a reel. Okay, so first things first, I already downloaded a reel over here with a watermark that I've shown you earlier. It's on the top right over there. So the thing is, just pause the video, click on edit, and then just a little bit crop it, so giving a little zoom to the point where it doesn't affect your video or the size of your video, I mean. Anyway, just click on done, and that should do it. The watermark is removed, and you still have that good quality real video that you want. Hi, now let me teach you how to download Instagram Reels using your desktop or computer. Okay, first things first, I just want to let you know that there's no way or there's no option that you can download it directly from the app itself. So if you can see here, there is no three buttons that you can download it directly. So what we can do is use a third-party app like this one, SnapInsta. This is the one I use, so just copy the link, or you can do it over here. Copy the link over here, paste it here, and click download. It should direct you to this one. Click download video, and that's it. The video should be uploaded on your desktop. And that's how you download Instagram Reels using your desktop or computer. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.